Hello everyone, welcome to next session. So in our previous session we have started the server and we have also created our first stub. So there in that case we were using a simple text in the body which we were sending back. But in our actual scenario we will be sending a JSON response, right? To send the structured response in a in a particular JSON format. So to send that, let's understand how you can do that. So there are two ways. Either you can simply paste your response here, or you can send it using a file by keeping it in a file. So first what I will do is I will change it to static port, because every time we start the server we need to change the port in the postman also. Let me check this. So I will give port 57167, right? So now it will start on this port statically. So I have a JSON sample with me, so I will use this sample. What I will do is I will simply copy it here. So it will, so here one more thing to note here is you need to because we are sending the JSON as a string literal, so there you need, that's why you need to escape that, right? So we'll paste it here, it will automatically IT will automatically do that, right? And one more thing is to note here is we will need to add the header here also, because whenever whenever you will get a response from the application, whenever the application receive, so there are content type is also sent, right? So that is how the structured format is sent back to the application. So it's quite a good practice. You should use the content type also. Let's first do that without the content type header, then we will understand. So I have started the project. So our resource URI remains the same, so the server is started, right? So I will go to Wiremock. Okay, I have this and I will click on here. So this I am getting back. So as you can see, it is showing in the text format, right? So this is never recommended, because if you are using actual application to use with the Wiremock, it will create an issue. Even if you are using in the testing, it will create issue, because there also you need to validate the headers. So what we will do is we will add headers here. We will add with header are sent as key value pair, so you can send your custom header also. So I will send as content type application JSON, right? So now I need to rerun this to make this mapping reflect in the Wiremock or in the memory. So let's rerun this and then we will try it. So the server has stopped and now it will start again. Now let's go to the postman. So now as you can see, now it is coming in the JSON format. Why? Because we are sending the header also now, content type header, right? So that's how you can send the JSON response as a string literal, and you can send the header as well in this format. So next we will discuss how to send the JSON response using a file.